Good morning, my dear students. So today we are going to start question number 2 of exercise 3.3. So in the last video we will discuss how to find the HCF by prime factorization method. So in this question number 2 we will try to find the HCF by the long division method. So this is another method to find the highest common factor. So let us start with the first A part. In the first A part there are two numbers. The first one is 434 and the second number is 775. So we have to find their HCF. HCF means highest common factor, both of this number. Alright. So between these two numbers, which one is smallest? Smallest is 434. So you will take this number as divisor. Because the name of this method is long division method. Division. So division means we have to divide here. So this 434 is our divisor, and the second number 775 is taken as dividend. Alright. So the first step is you have to divide this 775 with 434. So 434 ones are 434 and 434 twos are, it is how much? It is greater than this number. It is 868. So it is greater than this 775. So we will take at 1. 434 ones are 434. Alright. Now 5 minus 4 is 1. 7 minus 3 is 4. And 7 minus 4 is 3. Alright. Now you will repeat this process until you will get remainder 0. Clear, students? So you will repeat this process again. In the next process, you will take this remainder as our new divisor. And the previous divisor is taken as new dividend. Alright. Clear, students? The remainder of this first division is taken as divisor of the second process, and this previous divisor is taken as our new dividend. आप क्या करोगे? जो इसका रिमाइंडर आया था उसको आप डिवाइजर सपोज करोगे और जो प्रीवियस का डिवाइजर था उसको आप डिविडेंड में लिखोगे. क्लियर? You will repeat this process again and again until you will get remainder 0. आप इस प्रोसेस को बार बार रिपीट करोगे जब तक लास्ट में आपके पास रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आ जाएगा. क्लियर? So next 341. It is 341 ones are again 341 because if you take 341 twos are, it is 682, which is greater than this 434. So we will take at 341 ones are 341. Now 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 is subtracted from 3? No. So it will take borrow from 4. So it is 13 minus 4 is 9. Clear? Now again repeat the process. This remainder is taken as new divisor and the previous divisor is written in our dividend. 341. We will write it here. Now again 93. We will divide this 341 by 93. So 93 ones are 93. 93 twos are how much? It is 186. 93 threes are 279. And 93 fours are 372. So 372 is what? Greater than 341. So we will take at number 3. So 93 threes are 279. Now subtract this 279 from 341. So 1 will take borrow from 4. So 11 minus 9 is 2. Here number 3. So 3 again if you take borrow from next 3. So 13 minus 7 is 6. So the next again repeat this process. Right here 93. Alright. So next 62 ones are 62. 62 twos are 124, which is greater than this 93. So you will take 62 ones are 62. So 3 minus 2 is 1, 9 minus 6 3. Clear? So again repeat this process. This 62 comes in our new dividend. Now 31 ones are 31, 31 twos are 62. So you can see here. So 31 twos are 62. Now 62 minus 62 is 0. So you can see here our remainder becomes 0. Now what is your HCF? The HCF is our last divisor in this process. The last divisor is 31. So this is your HCF. Clear students? आपके इस डिवीजन मेथड में जो लास्ट डिवाइजर आएगा वही आपका क्या है HCF है. So last divisor is 31 here. So 31 is the HCF of number 434 and 775. So the HCF is 31. Alright. So this is the method to find the HCF by long division method. Now in the second B part, there are 3 numbers. How many numbers? 3 numbers. 264, 384 and 842. So now, how we will find the HCF for 3 numbers? HCF for 3 numbers. So to find the HCF for 3 numbers, at a time we will take any 2 of the numbers. मतलब एक टाइम पर आप किसी भी 2 नंबर्स का HCF पहले फाइंड करोगे. ठीक है? So I will take the smallest one, this 264 and this 384. ठीक है, आप पहले फाइंड करोगे इन दोनों का HCF. जो इन दोनों का HCF आएगा उसको आप फिर से सॉल्व करोगे विद द थर्ड नंबर इज 842. ऑलराइट. सो फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड द HCF ऑफ दिस 264 एंड द सेकंड नंबर 384. सो फर्स्ट फाइंड द HCF ऑफ 264 and 384. Alright students, so the first 264 ones are 264. Next 4 minus 4 0, 8 minus 6 2, 3 minus 2 1. So now this remainder becomes our new divisor and the previous divisor is our dividend. Right here 264. Now 120 ones are 120, 122s are 240. 123s are how much? 360, which is greater than this 264. So we will take 122s are 240. Now 4 minus 0, it is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2, and 2 minus 2 is 0. So leave it. Now this remainder has become our new divisor, and the previous divisor is written in new dividend. ठीक है, जो आपका प्रीवियस डिवाइजर होगा उसको आप लिखोगे डिविडेंड 120. नाउ 24 ones are 24, 24 twos are 48, 24 threes are 72, 24 fours are 96 and 24 fives are 120. So you can see here 24 fives are 120. So remember this is our 0. So now which is the HCF? The last divisor is our HCF. So the 24 is the HCF of number 264 and 384. Now we will solve the third number. The third number is 842. Now you will find the HCF of this 842 and this HCF 24. Alright. This is 24. Now you will find the HCF of this number HCF 24 and the third number 842. Alright. So again solve it by long division method. So 24. We will divide this 842 by 24 until you will get remainder 0. So 24 ones are 24, 24 twos are 48, 24 threes are 72. So it will goes on 24 threes are 72. 4 minus 2, 2, 8 minus 7, 1. So write this 2 here. Now 24 fives are, we know that 24 fives are how much? 120. So it will goes on 24 fives, 120. So write here 2 minus 0, 2. And this 2 minus 2 is 0. So don't need to write it. So So the now remainder is here 2 and write this 24 in our new dividend. Now you will divide this 24 by 2. So 2 ones are how much? 2, 0, right here 4 and 2 twos are 4. So you can see here the remainder has become 0 here. Now which is the last divisor? The last divisor is here 2. So the HCF is 2. So our final answer is 2. Alright. So the HCF of this 264, 384 and 842 is 2. Clear? So right here HCF of 264, second number 384 and the third number is 842 is 2. Alright students, so 2 is the highest common factor of these three numbers. Clear? So this is your A and B part of question number 2nd. Now the C part of this question number 2nd is your homework. C part of this question number 2nd is your homework. Now the next, this is your question number 3rd. So this is the word problem sum based on HCF. So let us see the first A part of the 3rd question. What is the greatest number that divides both 175 and 385 exactly? So what they are asking the question? We have to find the greatest number. Greatest means largest. आपने सबसे लार्जेस्ट नंबर फाइंड करना है जो 175 और 385 को एग्जैक्टली क्या करेगा? डिवाइड करेगा. एग्जैक्टली डिवाइड मींस जब आप उस नंबर से डिवाइड करोगे तो रिमाइंडर कितना आएगा? 0. द रिमाइंडर शुड बी 0 here. So we have to find the HCF of 175 and 385. So the two numbers are 175 and 385. So we have to divide this 385 and 175. So there are two methods to find the HCF. First one is prime factorization method and the second one is long division method. So we will solve this HCF by which method? Second one, that is long division method. Or it's your choice, you can also solve it by prime factorization method. So find the HCF of 175 and 385. So divide this number. So you can see here 175 ones are 175 twos are how much? 350. So you can see here 175 twos are 350. If you will take 175 threes are, it is greater than this 385. So we will take 175 twos are 350. Now 5 minus 0 is 5, 8 minus 5 is 3, 3 minus 3 is 0. Now the remainder is here 35. But we have to solve this until we will get remainder 0. ठीक है, आप तब तक इसको डिवाइड करोगे जब तक रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आ जाए. Now this remainder is taken as our new divisor in the second step and previous divisor 175 taken as our dividend. Now we will see the multiple of 35. 35 ones are 35, 35 twos are 70, 35 threes are 105. 35 fours are 140 and 35 fives are how much? It is 175. So 35 fives. 5 fives are 25 to carry. 5 threes are 15 plus 2 17. So now you can see here 175 minus 175. So what is the remainder? The remainder is 0 here. So the last divisor is our HCF. The last divisor is 35. So it is the HCF of our number 175 and 385. So we write here HCF is 35. So it means this number 35 divides 175 and 385 exactly. Clear students? It means when you divide this both of this number by this 35, you will get remainder 0. Clear? So this is the A part of your question number 3rd. Now this is the next B part of this question number 3rd. There are 3 boxes of pencils which contains 148, 272 and 388 pencils. So we have 3 boxes in which in first box there are 148 pencils, in the second box there are 272 pencils, and in the third one there are 388 pencils. So these pencils are to be packed in smaller boxes. मतलब इन पेंसिल्स को हमने छोटे छोटे बॉक्स में क्या करना है, पैक करना है, ठीक है. Are to be packed in smaller boxes. So what greatest number of pencils can be packed in one box so that no pencil is left? मतलब जैसे कि फर्स्ट बॉक्स में 148 पेंसिल्स हैं, in second box there are 272 pencils, and in the third one there are 388 pencils. So we have to pack some pencils in smaller boxes. So we have to pack some pencils in smaller boxes. So they ask how many pencils should be packed in one box. One, or you can say each box. मतलब एक बॉक्स में, स्मॉलर बॉक्स में कितनी पेंसिल्स को आप पैक करोगे सच दैट नो पेंसिल इज लेफ्ट. मतलब कोई भी पेंसिल उसके बाद बचेगी नहीं. मतलब जो पेंसिल्स हमारे पास स्टार्टिंग में है वो पूरी उस स्मॉलर बॉक्सेस में पैक हो जाएगी, ठीक है. सो जैसे सपोज करो इन द फर्स्ट बॉक्स देयर आर 148 पेंसिल्स. सो दिस 148 पेंसिल्स आर टू बी पैक्ड इन सम स्मॉलर बॉक्सेस. This 272 packed in smaller boxes, this 388 packed in smaller boxes, so that no pencil should be left. मतलब कोई भी पेंसिल्स एंड में नहीं बचेगी. So we have to find what. So you can see here what greatest number. So it is clear from this word greatest. Greatest means we have to find the highest common factor. Highest common factor. We have to find the HCF. So there are 3 numbers given. The first one is 148, second is 272, third is 388. So we have to find the highest common factor of these 3 numbers. HCF of 148, 272 and 388. So we will get our answer. Clear? So first we will find the HCF of any two of the number because there are 3 numbers given, but at a time we will find the HCF of any 2 numbers. So we will take this smaller 2 number 148 and this 272. So we will need to find the HCF of these 2 numbers. So 148 ones are 148, 148 twos are, it is 296. So it is greater than this one. So we will take 148 ones are 148. Now this 2 will take borrow from 7. So 12 minus 8 is 4. Here 6 should be left. 6 minus 4 is 2. Now 2 minus 1, 1. Now we will take this 148 as our new dividend, and the remainder of this first step is our new divisor. Now 124 again ones are 124. 8 minus 4 2. Sorry, 8 minus 4 is 4 and 4 minus 2 is 2. 1 minus 1 0, so don't need to write it. Now this remainder become our new divisor and this 124 written in our new dividend. So 24 ones are 24, 24 twos are 48, 24 threes are 72, 24 fours are 96 and 24 fives are 120. So it goes on fine. So 4 minus 0 is 4. 2 minus 2 0, 1 minus 1 0. Now here remainder is 4, so it becomes our new divisor, and you will write this previous divisor in the new dividend 24. Now you will find the multiples of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, and 4 sixes are how much? 24. So write here 4 6 are 24. Now what is the remainder? Remainder is 0 here. It means the last divisor of this process is our which one? 4. So the 4 is the HCF. 4 is the what? HCF of these 2 numbers. Which one? 148 and 272. Now we will find the HCF of this 4 and this third number 388. So that is our final answer. So now find the HCF of 4 and this 388. ऑलराइट, मतलब जो पहले स्टेप में आपका इन दो नंबर्स का HCF आया 4, उसको आप अभी सॉल्व करोगे थर्ड नंबर से। तो थर्ड नंबर है दैट इज 388। अब उस 4 का और इस 388 का जो HCF आएगा दैट इज योर आंसर, ऑलराइट। So now divide this, 4 9s are 36, 8 minus 6 2, 8 right here. Now 4 7s are how much? 4 7s are 28. Now you can see here the remainder is 0. It means this 4 is our HCF. This 4 is our HCF. So the final answer is 4. It means in each box we have packed how many pencils? 4 pencils. मतलब एक बॉक्स में 4 पेंसिल्स को हम पैक करेंगे, ठीक है। जब आप इसमें 4 पेंसिल को पैक करोगे तो बहुत सारे बॉक्स होंगे, बट लास्ट में कोई भी पेंसिल नहीं बचेगी, ठीक है। नो पेंसिल शुड बी लेफ्ट, क्लियर। सो योर फाइनल आंसर इज 4, ऑलराइट। नाउ द सी पार्ट ऑफ दिस थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज योर होमवर्क। सी पार्ट ऑफ दिस थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज योर होमवर्क। अगेन you will find the HCF, alright, in this C part. Clear, students? So this is your exercise 3.3. Thank you.